guys, my name is V, as you already know by this channel name, and this is a video which I wanted to record for a long time because I realize I've never told you who I am and then what this channel actually is about and what it's going to be about in the future. So let's start actually who I am and where I come from. So I come from a small country called Czech Republic in Europe. And I haven't been born with silver spoon in my mouth. I grew up with my single mom and she did what she could. So everything I wanted in my life, I had to work for it. Everything from the A to Z. So when I was 18, I left home straight away the first day after I finished school. And I left to England where I was thinking I'm gonna have a better life. So when I left to England, I had to come back in about 2 days because unfortunately it didn't work out the way it's supposed to work out. By the way, I'm recording this video very raw, and I'm not going to edit anything of this video. So I'm start sweating, I'm a little bit shaking because obviously I'm very nervous at front of camera. I'm not that experienced yet, and hopefully I will progress. So excuse me in that. And when I was in England for about 4 years, I had a job where I earned pretty good money, not the best, but livable money. But after 4 years, I was kind of sick and tired to work for someone else and being in a miserable weather, such as raining, cloudy, and etc. So when I wanted to go somewhere else where it's gonna be sunny and good economy as well, such as England. So Australia came up to my mind and I left to Australia. I worked and stayed in Australia for about 7 years, and I was able to create my permanent residency. I came to Australia as a student. So if you don't know, it's very actually hard to be in Australia as a student because you need to work and you need to pay your visa and you need to pay for your school. And in that time, you couldn't work more than 20 hours a week, which was kind of difficult to earn enough money to stay and to pay for school and visa and etc. But successfully, I made it happen and I was living a good life in Australia. After 6 years, I was again sick and tired to work for someone else. I always knew that there is something inside me where I can do something better for myself, where I can earn more money, have more free time, and etc. So I wanted to go for traveling in 2018. And I was looking for some business online, what I can do. I found business called Kindle Publishing. It's a very good business, and I developed this business to about $10,000 a month in about 15 months. And life was good, life was good for about 5 to 6 months because I was earning good money. And unfortunately, after 6 months, Amazon suspended my account. But the good news was that I was able to getting paid from all those books which I published. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to publish no more books. So my income went from $10,000 all the way to about $2,000, which of course, it's not very good for livable anywhere in the world. And I decided to sell the business. So in 2022, I sold the business and for about 6 figures almost. And what was my greatest idea? To put this money in crypto and other investments. Unfortunately, as you know, late in 2022, crypto stocks and economy basically start going down and crashing down. So all my investments, I lost them all. I'm saying all. So right now, I have to build everything from the scratch. So on this channel, what is this channel actually is going to be about? I'm going to bring my tips, strategies, how to develop business and etc. So I hope as I grow, you will grow with me as a person and also financially. And in the next few videos, you will see what I do, how I do, and what I suggest you to do to create hopefully wealth. If not wealth, at least some extra income, as I do. I don't like to lie, so everything is going to be transparent, as I already mentioned in my previous videos. So guys, I have nothing else really to say. I guess this is it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.